Welcome, beautiful people. I am Chef B. Today, jumping into this video, girl, I told y'all it was Virgo season and we're giving Beyonce, Sasha Fierce all September long. So this curly hair that we'll be working with today is from Nadula.com and it is a V-part wig. So what I absolutely love about V-part wigs is how versatile they are. Now I got this wig in 22 inches. I didn't want it too long. So we're just gonna grab our crochet hook and I'm gonna show you like a couple of times how I do this. So I go under my little cornrow or a little piece of my cornrow with the crochet hook, and then I grab a little piece of the hair, the V-part hair itself, not the V-part hair, the curly hair itself, and I attach it to the hook and pull through. So I do this to cover the knots. Now I learned this on YouTube. So it wasn't like my method I created. I saw another video and I'm like, yo, I'm gonna try that. So this is my second time trying it and we're gonna see how it comes out. So I'm gonna keep repeating that process until I get as much of the weft hidden as possible and make sure that everything is nice and tight. So I'm gonna repeat it some more so you guys could catch on to this process. This is it. This is how she's looking. She is is it absolute? It's absolutely perfect. Like, it's absolutely beautiful. I'm loving how it looks against my skin. It's giving birthday hair. Like, I feel like I'm definitely gonna be wearing this hair for my birthday. Don't quote me on that. I might not, but right now the census is saying she is the winner because she is looking, girl, she is giving. Okay, I know I wanted to do a quick wear test for you guys. So it's about a week since I installed this hair and I wore it like 2 other times. So this is what the hair looks like once it's freshly washed and I let it air dry. So the top is looking a little bit frizzy because I did the crochet method on the V part. So I want to show you guys how to maintain the curls and get it to be defined and popping. So first I just re-wet the hair with some water and then I'm going to go in with this 3-in-1 mousse, and that is basically it. So I just run my fingers through it instead of using like a Denman brush, which will fluff out the hair a bit more and get it to look a little bit more poofy and big. I didn't necessarily want that. I just wanted the hair to look as defined as possible in its natural state. So I'm just going to continue running my fingers through the hair with the mousse on top and just get it to be as defined as I can. So the hair is super soft. I didn't experience any shedding with this hair, which is surprising, especially since it's a blonde ombre hair. So no shedding and the hair is super soft. Now I'm going to go in with my diffuser. So the diffuser is what's going to maintain the definition of the hair and also get it to be big and pretty and just get the hair all fluffy without it being too overly done. So I'm going to keep doing that motion with the diffuser until I'm satisfied and the front of the hair is dry. And then I'm going to go in with this Tresemme serum, and this is a light serum as opposed to some other oils that are super heavy, especially on blonde hair. Like, it will make it look greasy and weighed down. So you want something light, and I highly recommend that Tresemme serum. Like, it's a godsend. All the details for this wig will be in the description box down below. Bye guys.